Today, we're making juicy and delicious homemade chicken balls that are super easy to prepare and perfect as a snack or appetizer. Let's start with 200 grams of chicken mince in a mixing bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped carrots. Next, add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion for extra flavor and moisture. Add some fresh parsley, according to your taste. For a little heat, add 2 chopped green chilies. Now it's time for the seasonings. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half a teaspoon garlic paste, half a teaspoon ginger paste, a quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, and salt to taste. Now mix everything really well. Take your time here. We want all the vegetables, herbs, and seasonings to be evenly distributed throughout the chicken mince. As you mix, you'll notice the mixture becoming well combined and slightly sticky. That's exactly what we're looking for. This helps the chicken balls hold their shape perfectly while cooking. Once everything is mixed well, lightly grease your hands with a little oil. This simple trick prevents the mixture from sticking to your hands and makes shaping much easier. Now take small portions of the mixture and roll them into smooth, even-sized balls. Try to keep them similar in size so they cook evenly. Look at those beautiful chicken balls, soft, smooth, and packed with flavor. Place them aside and let's prepare the coating. Take 1 chicken ball and lightly coat it with plain flour. Make sure it's covered evenly. Now gently dip it into water. Again, coat it with flour and dip it into water. We're going to repeat this process 4 times. Yes, 4 times. This creates a delicate outer layer that gives the chicken balls a much better texture after cooking. You might think it's a small step, but this coating technique makes a huge difference. The layers help lock in moisture and keep the chicken balls tender and juicy. Once all the chicken balls are coated, let's move on to cooking. Bring a pot of water to a gentle boil, not a rapid rolling boil, just a nice steady boil. Carefully drop the chicken balls into the hot water one by one. Watch them gently float and cook. This is where all those flavors come together. Boil them for about 3 to 5 minutes. Since they're small, they cook quite quickly. Be careful not to overboil them. Overcooking can make them dry, and we want them soft, juicy, and flavorful. Once cooked, remove them from the water and let them rest for a minute. And there you have it, tender homemade chicken balls ready to enjoy. Serve them with your favorite sauce, whether it's chili sauce, garlic mayo, sweet chili dip, or ketchup. They're juicy on the inside, perfectly textured on the outside, and absolutely delicious. Give this recipe a try and don't forget to save it for later. Happy cooking!